Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This video explains how to use a test generator to create different versions of the same test. Navigate to Tests in the main menu and select New Test, or click on this Quick Action button. Enter the test name, go through all test wizard steps, and in the fourth step, choose the test generator. Test Generator will import questions from question pools and create a number of test versions of the same test. Here you can enable the frequency factor, which represents the probability of a question appearing in the test. The frequency factor is defined during question creation. You can choose between never, rarely, normal, often, and always. Now click this button to select question pools from which questions will be taken for creating different versions of the test. Choose the number of easy, medium, and hard questions that each test will contain. Difficulty level is also defined in the question creation process. You can add as many pools as you want. Edit settings, or delete pools. In the fifth step, define the number of different versions that will be created for this test. Let's choose to have 5 versions of the test. In this case, candidates will get one of those 5 versions, containing the exact number of easy, medium, and hard questions from each question pool defined in the previous step. To generate an unlimited number of versions, tick the box. Question settings allow you to set the number of points and penalty points for each difficulty category. The following steps are the same as for any other test. Define grading, passing mark, review the settings, and finish with the test creation wizard. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.